everyone. Nabanggit niyo ma'am, to strengthen the esports sa bansa. Meron ba tayong mga like grassroots programs, yung mga pupunta kayo sa mga probinsya for tryouts? Tuloy-tuloy po ba yung mga gano'n na?
Yes, definitely there are. We are supporting a lot of grassroots initiative. Medyo different lang for MPL because MPL right now, the model of MPL is actually a franchise league. But outside of MPL, we still have tournaments like meron tayong MPL na meron ding slots that are open, you know, for non-franchise, di ba? Marami meron kami mga projects na campus-based, barangayan, may mga barangay caravan kami. And there are also multiple third-party tournament organizers that we are actually supporting through a program called E-Project. So, pwede kayong school, meron kaming mga sinusuportahan na mga nag-organize ng third-party tournaments that are actually corporate companies na ginagamit yung MLBB tournament as their employee engagement program. So, hindi lang siya pang mga bata, ayan. So, it can actually, be used as a program in different companies for work-life balance as well.
First, salamat for sharing the live sa MPL. Maraming nanonood, no? Maraming interesado. Pwedeng malaman kailan ang alis ng team and bago umalis ang team. Dahil maraming nanonood, meron bang mga activities kayo like meet and greet, send off, para na pwedeng abangan ng mga fans ninyo and yung mga interested talaga na sa laro na ito?
Yeah,
you can announce, maraming nanonood.
Our team is still cooking something, but definitely for send off, maybe we can announce that further. Yeah, marami pa pong mga pinaplano, but definitely what we're looking at is that when the teams are already in Riyadh, we are also planning to bring watch parties as well. Yes, on ground. Parang hindi lang tayo nanonood sa mga, sa mga TVs natin sa bahay, sa mga cellphones natin, but what we want to do is also bring like a community event wherein the Filipino audience can gather watching the competition of our Filipino representatives in PWC. But for that, it's still on the works. So hopefully just tune into the FPL channel if we get to lock in the days for those.
Oo, maganda yan, Miss Lee, yung on-ground na mga fans, bago sila umalis, talagang mag